Welcome back. Thanks so much for staying with us here on WION. India's capital, New Delhi, is once again facing a garbage and sanitation crisis as civic workers who clean up the city's garbage are on an indefinite strike, demanding their salaries. What is the result? Mounds and mounds of garbage in neighborhoods. Shailja Verma with this report.
The stench here where I'm standing is almost unbearable, but that is the reality for thousands of residents living in this eastern part of New Delhi. And all this because of an indefinite strike by the municipal corporation workers. Huge amounts of garbage with plastic, food waste and even hazardous medical waste piling up in almost every corner in the eastern parts of India's capital. The civic workers who clean up this garbage have refused to work since Friday and are on an indefinite strike. Over 20,000 sanitation workers, or Safai Karmacharis as they are called, are demanding what is rightfully theirs. 3 months pending salary and better working conditions, including health cards. क्या-क्या दिक्कतें हैं आपकी?
ये बदबू आता है इसमें, कूड़ा का तो काम दिक्कत ही होता है.
The national capital of Delhi has a provincial government led by the Aam Aadmi Party, but the civic body is led by its rival BJP. The municipality accuses the provincial government of non-payment of funds. Political rivalry continues to play out, with workers dumping garbage outside the office of Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. East Delhi alone generates close to 2,500 tons of garbage every day. Residents in East Delhi are worried about the health hazards that these rising garbage piles could cause.
खड़ा होना मुश्किल हो जाता है जी. यहाँ पर बदबू बहुत होती है और कूड़ा बाहर तक चले जाता है, तो ट्रैफिक जाम होता है, इससे रोड जाम होता है, कई एक्सीडेंट भी होते हैं चक्कर में.
For the last 2 years, residents in India's capital have faced several episodes of the garbage disposal crisis due to the workers' strike. And with civic body elections due in the capital within months, the citizens would be desperately hoping to find a political solution to their garbage mess. In New Delhi, I'm Shailja Verma for WION.